Nogmaals een hele goede middag aan ieder van u die met ons meevliegt naar Schiphol Amsterdam. Mijn naam is Caroline Alleen en namens de hele crew heet ik u hartelijk welkom aan boord van deze Boeing 737-800. En een bijzonder welkom aan onze Flying Do deelnemers. De vliegtijd bedraagt, zoals de gezagvoerder al had aangekondigd, 2 uur. Over enkele ogenblikken zullen wij de veiligheidsprocedures aan boord van dit vliegtuig uitleggen. Mocht u daarna nog vragen hebben, stelt u ze gerust aan ons. En uit respect voor ieders privacy verzoeken wij om eerst toestemming te vragen voordat u foto's of video's maakt van personeel of van medepassagiers. Hartelijk dank voor uw medewerking. Vanaf nu zullen alle aankondigingen in het Engels worden gedaan. Ik wens u een fijne vlucht. Once again, a very good afternoon to all of you flying with us to Schiphol Amsterdam. My name is Caroline Alleen and on behalf of the entire crew, I welcome you on board. We extend a special welcome to our Flying Blue members. Flight time today will be approximately 2 hours. In a few moments we'll explain the safety procedures on board of this Boeing 737-800. And out of respect of everyone's privacy, we kindly ask you to ask for permission before making any photos or videos of staff or other passengers. Thank you very much for your cooperation.
Oh yeah.
We care about your safety and therefore we ask you to stow your hand baggage and larger electronic devices such as laptops during taxi, takeoff and landing. Small electronic devices may be used at all times when set in airplane mode and secured in your hand or pocket. After selecting airplane mode, feel free to turn on Bluetooth. Please make sure your device is visible at all times when charging. Charging of electronic devices is not allowed during taxi, takeoff and landing. If your device produces smoke, gets hot or shows signs of damage, unplug the device from charging immediately and alert a crew member.
Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah.
Please let me remind you that smoking is not allowed on this flight. This also applies to vaping and the use of other electronic cigarettes. It's also prohibited to consume alcoholic beverages brought with you on board. We will now demonstrate how to use the oxygen mask, the life vest and other safety procedures. This will be done in English. Should you have any questions afterwards, please ask our crew members. Please fasten your seatbelt now. This is how to fasten the seatbelt and tighten it, and this is how to open it. We will now demonstrate the use of the oxygen mask. If there's a decrease in cabin pressure, your oxygen mask will drop automatically. Pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place the provided oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure your own mask first before helping others. We will now demonstrate the use of the life vest. Put your head through the opening, fasten the strap around your back and attach it in front. Make sure to tighten it. When you're at the door opening, inflate your life vest by pulling the red tag. If necessary, more air can be added to your life vest by blowing into the tube. In contact with water will automatically switch on the light. The life vest is located under your seat. In the unlikely event of an evacuation, follow the illuminated escape path to the nearest exit. My colleagues are indicating where the lights and nearest emergency exits are located. The exits might be behind you. Leave all your hand baggage behind and follow the instructions of the crew. We advise you to read the instructions on the safety on board card. You'll find it in the seat pocket in front of you. It's now time for the final cabin check. Please make sure that your tray table has been stowed away and that the back of your seat is in the upright position. Make sure electronic devices are disconnected from any power supply. Thank you for your attention. On behalf of KLM Airlines, we wish you a pleasant flight. stop sign. However, we recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. If you need to collect your belongings during the flight, be careful when opening the overhead bins, as items can have shifted during takeoff and could fall out. And once again, for safety reasons, the use and charging of a power bank on board is prohibited. Do not store the power bank in the overhead compartment. Keep it visible and make sure it's always easily accessible.